So there's the graph we made before. Let's just clear that off and start with a clean graph. So to bring up a clean graph quickly, I'll just trend nothing. And let's search for that alias that we created earlier, the LP separator water rate. There we are, dB aliases, LP separator water rate. So there's the water rate coming off, and let's add to that now our corrected oil and water in ppm. In fact, let's just expand it a bit. Let's get 90 days up there. So we've got a bit of time to look at. Right, so what we now need to do is multiply the LP, the water rate, by the oil and water. So let's add that to my basket because it's not in there. And let's add a calculation. Build the calculation. So the first thing I need to do is add a multiplier. I'm going to take my LP separator water rate. I'm going to multiply it by my corrected oil and water, and I'm going to divide it by a million. Now, to make life easy, I'm just going to multiply it by 0.501, which has exactly the same effect. Save, and I'll add that to my trend. Now that number is quite small, so I'm going to change the axis that is living on.